Hello students, welcome to Virtual Training Center Dadar. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we are going to learn the grammar part in English of Standard 6th and the topic is degrees of comparison. Yes, students, degrees of comparison means we are going to compare the different levels. Here degrees we can say that different levels. Okay. Now observe the pictures. We can see apples here. We can see 3 apples here. Please observe the size of these apples. Okay. And you can see here 3 coconut trees. Please observe the height of these coconut trees. Now we are going to compare the size and height of these pictures in detail. Okay? Degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. Okay? First one is positive degree. It is used when only one thing is being described. Means when we are talking about only one thing, then we use positive degree. Okay. Second one is comparative degree. It is used when two things are being compared. Means two things are there and we are comparing these two things, then we use comparative degree. Superlative degree. Yes, we use superlative degree when 3 or more things are being compared. Remember, positive degree means we are describing only one material or only one thing. Comparative means we are comparing between two things. Superlative means we are doing the comparison between 3 or more than 3 things. Okay? First, we will study positive degree. Yes, students, we will go through many examples so it will become clear to you. See, the house is big. Okay, this is a simple sentence, that is the house is big. Big is an adjective, isn't it? Because it describes about house. Okay, the house is big. Second one, see this. The bird is small. You know that bird is a noun and small is an adjective which tells about the bird or the size of the bird. The bird is small. See, this boy is carrying a load. The load is heavy. Okay, see this. And the fourth one, the girl is happy. We can see that, correct? Now, dear students, here nouns are there and adjectives are there. See here, degrees of comparison deals with the adjectives. Remember this thing. See, we will encircle the adjectives. Here, big, small, heavy and happy. See here, positive degree means we are describing about the thing. See, house is a thing. We are telling that we are describing about the house. That is, the house is big. The bird is small. Okay, here no comparison is there. Only we are writing a simple sentence along with the adjective. Okay, this is called positive degree. Now, comparative degree. You know that in comparative degree, we compare the two things. Okay. Now, here two houses are there. One in red color and one in blue color. Okay, see here. Red house is bigger than blue house. Okay, bigger. We added ER here. The red house is bigger than, and always we use than while making the sentence to show the comparison. Okay. Second one, see here. This bird is there and butterfly is there. You know, the butterfly is smaller than the bird. Isn't it? You can match the size. Butterfly is smaller than the bird. See dear students, here comparative degree, here bigger. ER is added to big. GER is added, here smaller. Again here ER is added. Mostly, in most of the cases we add ER to the positive degree word to make it comparative. Okay. See, two more pictures are there. In the first one, the second load is heavier than the first load. See, he is pulling. Correct? The second load is heavier. Here also we are comparing the two loads. First one is heavy, but second load is heavier than the first load. See here, two girls, they are happy, but the yellow dressed girl is happier than red dressed girl. We can see her feelings. Here also we added EIER to both the positive words. Means heavy, we made it heavier, and here happy, we did happier. We replaced Y with IER. Heavier and happier. Now we will move to superlative degree. See dear students, here we compare a thing with three or more than three things. Here three houses are there. Okay. Here we are going to use the high word as a positive. Okay. We are going to compare the height of the houses. First one, observe the picture. First house, second house, third house. Okay. We will do comparison here. The first house is high. Okay. The first house is high. Here high is a positive degree. You know that because it is describing a house. The second house is higher than the first house. The height of the second house is more than the height of the first house. So we compared first and second houses in comparative degree. So we added ER. So it is higher. Okay. And the third house is highest. The third house is highest means the height of the third house is more than the height of the first and second house. Got this? Here in the third case, we compared all the three things, all the three houses. Okay, here see here, high is a positive degree, higher we added ER and we compared to the other house, so it is comparative degree. And see highest is the superlative degree. Remember dear students, mostly we add EST while making it superlative. Okay. Now see this, happy, happier, happiest. The blue dressed girl is happiest among all girls. Here also we have done the comparison among three girls. The red dressed girl is happy. Yellow dressed girl is happier than the red dressed girl. And now blue dressed girl, she is flying. She is jumping. Means she is the happiest among all three girls. Got this students? And happiest is the superlative degree. Okay. Now here two pictures are there. One is elephant. Observe the size and strength. Second one is the horse. Again observe the size and the strength. Okay, here 4 words are given: big, small, strong, weak. Okay. Now here only 2 animals means this is about the comparative degree, isn't it? We are going to compare elephant and horse, and we will use these 4 words: big, small, strong and weak. Okay, we'll start. Okay, we will take first elephant. The elephant is bigger than horse, isn't it? Now, second one, the elephant is stronger than horse. Okay, next one, the horse is smaller than elephant. See the size. And the horse is weaker than elephant, isn't it? Now, we can see 3 animals here: lion, rhino and elephant. And it is written big. Lion is big, but rhino is bigger than lion, and elephant is the biggest among all the 3, isn't it? Now we will find out here which is positive, which is comparative and which is superlative. Are you going to help me? Yes, correct. Big is positive, bigger is comparative and the biggest is superlative degree. Very good, students. Now again 3 pictures are there and it is written young, younger, the youngest. Yes, again we will give the titles of degrees. Yes, this is positive, young. Younger, comparison is there, so it is a comparative degree, and the youngest, it is superlative degree. Yes, students, here we can see 3 mushrooms. Okay, and it is written good, better, the best. Yes, dear students, this is a little different one. Here good becomes better while comparison, and in the superlative degree it becomes the best. Got this? Remember this word. So good is a positive one and better is a comparative. When we compare we use better, and in the superlative degree we use the best. Okay? Students, see here 3 mathematical tools are there. First one is a beads, and second one calculator, and third one is the laptop. Okay, here to do maths, the beads, string of beads, that is very useful for children, isn't it? And that is useful, that is the adjective. Okay, now here we have not written useful and er. What we have written here? More useful. Remember, for some words, mostly of lengthier words, we use more in comparative degree and most in the superlative degree. See here, useful, more useful, the most useful. Got this? Useful is a positive degree and more useful is a comparative degree, and the most useful is the superlative degree. Okay, wonderful, more wonderful and the most wonderful. Like that, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Remember this. When you do practice of these words, easily you will come to know. See, one more is good, better, best. Just now we studied, I think, correct? Now dear students, here table is there and some empty blanks are there. Okay, empty places are there. We have to fill according to the given place. Here positive, comparative and superlative 3 degrees are given. Okay, in the positive degree or positive column it is written fast. It changes to faster in comparative, and fastest in superlative. See here, ER is added in the comparative degree and EST is added in the superlative degree. Okay. Now superlative form is given slower. Can you guess the positive form of this? Yes, you are right. That is slow. Correct. And the superlative form is slowest. And here now in the third, tallest means superlative form is given. We have to write positive and comparative degrees. You know that tall, taller and tallest, isn't it? Okay, this fourth one is different one. Comparative degree is given, that is worse. Yes, dear students, for this positive degree is bad. Remember, bad, worse and worst. Superlative degree is worst. How we did now? Good, better, best, like this. Bad, worse, worst. Okay. And beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful. Nice. Now identify the degree. First one, the apple is sweeter than the pear. Here, yes, you are right. Sweeter. This is in comparative degree. Comparative form, so it is a comparative degree. Second one, Sonu is pretty. Pretty is an adjective, so it is in positive degree. Third one, Ram had the most wonderful birthday cake. Your most wonderful. Yes, dear students, you are right. That is superlative degree. Correct. Thank you, students. Now please practice these degrees of comparison. Okay? Because grammar is very important and it will not change any time. Okay? Take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye bye.